Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo code deals for Carry's First Shop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, I'm going to go and head on over to Google. So in the Google search bar, I'm going to type in Carry's First Shop promo code deals. Alright, once I've done that, I'm going to hit enter and then you'll be brought to... Alright, so I spelled it wrong. Yep, so Carry's First Shop promo code deals. And now in the Google search results, we got We Thrift It. We got 50% off in August. I'm making this video in August. We got Collect Offers, 20% off. We've got Picody.com, Reward Pay. So you can check out any one of these sites will work, but one I really like to use is We Thrift It. So I'm going to go ahead and click on We Thrift It. And now if I scroll down, you'll see 50% off using this code. So what you want to do is copy code. You can also see some stats about these codes from We Thrift It, another cool stat about this third-party site. So if we go ahead and click on show history, you can see the stats about this code here. If we do the next one here as well, so show history, you can see the stats. So all you need to do is just copy the code, paste this code at the checkout section of Carry1st to enjoy 50% off or whatever their offerings are. These codes do change daily or weekly or even monthly, so be sure to check these sites out at later dates to find even more bargains.